Hey everyone, Tania B here, and welcome to my channel. Welcome to my first attempt at cooking with Tania B. Because this is my first cooking video, I thought I would make it easy and actually cook a home chef meal. So today we are going to be doing the Bruchetta Pork Chops with a spinach salad. That is what it's going to look like at the end. These are all our directions. It's actually a pretty simple recipe. It's ready in 15 minutes. And the difficult level is easy. So I thought it would be the perfect thing to put on my channel. So with Home Chef, you get all the ingredients. So they sent me the pork chops, the spinach, a shallot, a tomato, some crispy garlic, which I'm pretty excited about, some basil oil, mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, and balsamic vinaigrette. So I'm going to end up making the salad in this bowl and doing the pork chops on the oven. So I got everything ready for that, and stay tuned. Okay, so step one, we're going to be cooking the pork chops. We're going to pat them dry and season them with some salt and pepper. Then we're going to get them going in a skillet for 5 to 7 minutes per side. Top them with some cheese. And then we are going to make the tomato topping and dice up some shallots as well. All right, so we got the pork chops patted dry and seasoned on both sides. So we are going to go ahead and put them in the pan. Nice and sizzling. So these are going to cook for 5 to 7 minutes per side. And then we're going to top them with cheese. All right, so I've gone ahead and diced up the whole tomato, and then I minced up half of the shallot. You are supposed to do the whole shallot in the recipe, but I'm not like the biggest onion person in the world, so I just did half the shallot. So it wants us to combine this all in a bowl. So we are going to get our shallot in there, our tomatoes. Using my hand. Let's see. All right, we got the tomatoes and shallots in a bowl. We're going to pour in this basil oil. And then we are going to add a little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt. For those of you who don't know, I post a ton of my own food and recipes on my Instagram page. And I did leave the link down below if you want to follow me on Instagram. All right, we're just going to mix this up, and this is going to be the topping for our bruschetta. And also, for those of you who don't know, if this is your first time with me, I am Tania B. I do mainly unboxing videos, but obviously, as we see, we are going to be getting into cooking videos with the new year. Cooking is a big passion of mine. I absolutely love it, so yes. All right, that is our tomato topping, and up next, we are going to make the salad. All right, so this salad is super simple. They gave me a ton, probably enough to make 3 salads. I'm just going to make 1 right now because I'm bringing the other portion of this to work tomorrow. So I am just going to be doing a salad for 1 tonight, and then I'll make myself another salad. So it came with this balsamic vinaigrette. We are just going to put that in there. And then mix that up. Like I said, these meals are designed for every cooking level. I mean, this one is easy. Like I said, this is normally something that I could do like with my eyes closed, but just trying to test everything. And then it came with this bag of crispy garlic. So we are going to pour a little bit of that on here. Kind of like garlic flavored croutons almost. All right, mix that up. And that's really our salad. When we plate it, actually get it on the plate, we are going to top it with some Parmesan cheese. And yeah, let's go check on our pork chops. All right, our pork chops have been on this side for 5 minutes, so we are going to go ahead and give them a flip. That is a nice, beautiful sear. Need this little bit of fat over here. And yes, I'm going to keep them on this side for about 5 minutes or until the temperature reaches 145 degrees. Then we are going to add the cheese and cover. All right, so our pork chops are done. So we are going to go ahead and top them with some Parmesan or mozzarella cheese, shredded mozzarella cheese. Put all that good, delicious cheese on there. Turn the heat off. Probably going to end up jumping the bag on here. All right. And then we're just going to cover. We put the lid on and keep that there until the cheese melts. Okay, so our cheese is melted. I have transferred one of the hot, steamy pork chops over to the plate. We are now going to just top it with that tomato mixture that we made earlier. With the tomatoes and the shallots and the basil oil. Just going to get all that on there. I did put the salad on and topped it with the Parmesan cheese shavings. And I had some extra, just a little shredded Parmesan cheese. So I am just going to go ahead and add that to our pork chop. Because I love cheese. There is no such thing as too much cheese in my book. And just because I really enjoy making everything on the plate pretty, I'm just going to add a little bit of parsley just for some color. So, yes, that is it. That is our plate for the Bruchetta Pork Chops. I think it looks absolutely delicious. I can't wait to dig in. And thank you for joining me for Cooking with Tania B. Let me know in the comments below what recipes you would love to see me make. I can pretty much make or try to make anything. So, yes, leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think about this recipe. Let me know if you've ever tried Home Chef or any other meal kits. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video.